Mbadde ku internet nengako yo video. Omwami oyo alina akakodyo kakola. Ka video I think cover either Kenya or Tanzania. Nenga butter getting a mobile money. And I think or I suspect this thing in Uganda happens. Cause ababi behavior yemu. Abantu abakola ebintu bino enneeyisa tekyuka. Akakodyo akali e Kenya either kaba kajja Uganda oba nkavudde Uganda. Ka video kano omwami ono ajja ku mobile money oba kaduuka. Ngenda kakuzanyira. Nakola oba njite withdraw oba naagula ekintu. N'akyusa ssente n'akuwa ssente ez'ekicupuli. Nga olowooza z'omuwadde. Katukalabe. Gobera ka araka ka red. Kalabyako kankazeeyo. So ssente azikyusa nga omaze okumuwa ku mukono gwa I think right. N'azijja mu nsawo n'akyusa n'akuddiza. Again, focusing ka sako ka red. Mu mukono gwa left alinamu ssente enchupule. So omwana w'obuwala agenda kumuwa ssente entuufu azikyuse then amuwe ebichupuli. Ono amuddize balance. Imagine omala okukola ogenda okubala ssente osangamu ebichupuli. Nga toyinza na kumanya byavuddewa. Kana akakodyo either nga mwekali mu ggwanga oba nga kajja. Kitiisaamu omubbi oyinza okugamba bali innovative nnyo. Who thought this was possible? Nti omuntu ajja nga akibaze kangende ngina obwebiri obw'etaano nga bichupuli. Nkoze withdraw ompadde ekisodde nkikyusizza nkugambye mpa ku airtime nkikuwadde you can't suspect cause olowooza wakampa ssente ezo. Nkuwadde airtime oba akantu k'oguze nenkuwa ssente entuufu nenkwata ekicupuli nekiteeka mu safe. Boss agenda okujja tewali ssente. Obuzzi bw'emisango mu Uganda bususse. Speaking about crime, I'm sure all of us have seen this video.
Never Baby. Para ni baby. Bagala, bagala. Bagala okuchuma.
Abala so basigadde na wano.
Nina gwe baagala.
Bali mukuba amasasi bantu. Babo bakuba amasasi. baba bakuba amasasi abantu.
Kyannaku nnyo. Kyendowooza abantu abasinga obungi abandaba kweno channel tuli mu age bracket y'emu wakati w'emyaka 25 n'emyaka kaŋŋambe 40 oba 35. Abasinga obungi ku ffe we twakulira, gw'omwana omuto atulaba, you might not believe this. Okuwulira essasi was something you've never heard of. Okuwulira essasi was something most of us just imagined. Kanjogere from personal experience. My first time okuwulira amasasi abiri nga gavuga consecutively yali ku gundi ya Kabaka ebyekayunga. I think either 2010, sijjukira bulungi. Twali ku ssomero Lubiri SS. We were doing an exam. Then bullets began. Gwe mulundi gwange mu bulamu okuwulira amasasi nga gavuga 2 bullets consecutive. Gali mangi. Nkona kuki. It's become a norm. Nti abaana be bazadde recently, it's become so common okuwulira amasasi nga gavuga. We are seeing something new happening in the country. Back then it was unimaginable. Simanyi oba nze atali exposed. Okulaba omuntu ng'ali muleeya ng'akutte emmundu. Either wabanga mubbi oba something. It was unimaginable we twakulira. Mu kaseera kano genda ku internet. Police wekola raid bajira muleeya. Amagye gakola raid kuliko omuntu ayambadde leeya ng'akutte AK-47. It's a big gun. Muka video kenkuzanyira, it's been viral. It was all over. You're seeing people in the middle of the street holding guns, firing, nga oyinza okugamba tewali trigger eri clear. Police yavudde nekola post yo netugamba nti babadde ba security officers nga bagenze original Kiseka Spare Center okubaako omuntu gwe bakwata. We've seen multiple videos. They are saying a group of individuals turned violent ne bagezaako obstructing the law from arresting the suspects. I'm a big ambassador of the law working. Amateeko okukola naye we don't see anyone obstructing anyone. And people are in the middle of the street firing guns. Mujja kutusaasira for some of us bino ebintu bipya. Nkugambye we grew up nga okuwulira essasi. My first time hearing 2 bullets nga gavuga consecutively. Pu. Ku mbeera ya Kabaka. Right now it's becoming normal. It's being normalized until you can hear a bullet anytime. I think that the scary thing is omuntu ali kuba ayambadde leeya. Picture that. Nga omuntu ayambadde leeya in the middle of the street akutte AK-47 balina pistol bali mu jean t-shirts n'enkofiira ne saati z'amapeesa. They are firing bullets. Nga everyone is wondering kye kigenda mu maaso. Ebintu nga bino if we normalize them, emikisa mingi nnyo nti omuntu ayinza okufuna criminal group najja and they masquerade. Cause tujja kimanyira nti it's okay for police officers to turn up muleeya. I'm not for a second questioning omulimu gwa police, but I'm questioning the way it's done. If you're wearing a combat ng'oyambadde engoye za police oyina ID and we see you firing bullets, abantu bajja gamba I think waliwo ababbi. Ne mu ka video koolabye akabadde viral abantu beebuuza bano babbi. Then police comes out ne statement eyo and they confirm they are security officers. Basirikale bazze kukwata ababbi. So how do you differentiate the two? Otegeera otya nti bano si be babbi abakutte emmundu tebali mu uniform? And again, when you speak about these things, people take offense. Abali mu police mu magye. But think about it, we are civilians. Nkugambye, we grew up not hearing bullets. Kyova olaba nti essasi we livuga abantu basasamala. Because most of us mwatumanyiiza not to hear bullets as kids. But now as adults, mutuletedde ekintu ekipya. People holding massive weapons in the middle of the street nga bali muleeya. Picture that. Make it make sense. Singa mujasa ina red top ayambadde combat akutte AK-47 akuba amasasi. We wouldn't have this discussion. Twandigambye why agezaako kutukuuma naye random strangers. Yes, there could be policemen, there could be security officers, but they are doing it wrongly. In the middle of the street with weapons, nga bali muleya. People will question, bajja kwebuuza, wagwana, ki ekigenda mu maaso. I'm sure, waliwo omuntu agenda okulaba video kano, they will take offense. They will be like, biki byogerako. It's not normal. These sort of things in other countries, they don't happen. They happen in countries like Haiti. Criminal groups are taking advantage of embeera ngeno. Embeera ngeno, people turn up with weapons. Nga balina zi clicks ezaabwe. Ababbi will take advantage of this. Omuntu ajja kujja cause right now it's becoming normal. It's becoming normal for groups of people abambadde leya to turn up with guns. Changu nnyo kirowoozeeko. Drone tekuli number plate. It's a car you can easily buy. Ojuguze. Emundu mu ggwanga lyaffe mweziri mu circulation. People can easily acquire them, criminals. Ne bataaninga up ku business y'omuntu. Nti tukukimye ne bakuteeka mu drone, they steal your money, ne bagala ne bakudumping. In the middle of that happening, abantu abali nearby there, even policemen will think it's an operation going on. Nenga bubbi. Help us, take us back to the days where we never had guns. It was peaceful. Nga okuwulira essasi, my first time hearing a bullet, erimbweriti, I think, nyinza okuba nalina emyaka nga 8. Ojja kwebuuza what was going on. It was an accidental fire. I think omusirikale lyali mu chamber nga yerabidde ng'agikutte bw'ati ne livuga. First time. Ate nga abantu bangi balinga nze. Bullets were not a thing. Right now it's becoming a daily meal. And it comes in a worse picture. Bantu bambadde civilian uniforms. Chitiza. It's scary. Take us back to those days. If you're doing an operation, come as security officers. Mujenga mwambadde uniform ina IDs. Mujenga, we can make a difference between who is who. Right now we cannot. We are seeing omuvubuka, omwami, it could be anyone. Nyinza okutaaninga up ne Uganda cranes yange. Nga nkutte enkebete. AK-47. It's a big gun. I begin firing bullets in the air. Nentandika okudduka up and down the street. Nenteekawo embeera nensannyalaza ekifo. Nga I can be just anyone. Nsobola okubeera omubbi, nsobola okubeera nga ndi officer, you can't identify me, you can't differentiate me. That's why Ugandans are finding a fault, major fault in this. Tweyongereyo. Government drivers. Waliwo omwana obuwala ku X yavuddeyo n'agamba enough is enough. Abakooye mweyita ki? Ka video kekano.
Drivers of government vehicles, please respect yourselves. Respect yourselves. What makes you think you have more right of way than we all do? For Christ's sake, it's lunchtime. Everybody's rushing. Parents are rushing to school to pick kids. Other people are going for lunch breaks. Some people are just reporting to work because they work in shifts. For you, you want to push the road. It is not our problem that you're late to pick your boss. Don't start driving like you have ulcers. Everyone is hungry at lunchtime, please. I am stuck, not because I want to be stuck. I am stuck because I'm at the traffic lights. It is red. If you went to school, you know red means stop. In your village, if it says red, does it say you move? Why do you want me to go on the road when you have clearly seen that they have released the other lane and people are moving? You want to scratch me? You want to scratch me? Please, respect yourself. I was not going to leave.
I love how she says, scratch me.
I just left because I saw those soldiers behind, the ones with masks. Please, respect yourselves. It's not my problem that you're late to pick your boss. Don't hoot for me. It is, imagine, daytime. You're hooting. You're flashing me. You're putting the siren. Am I a criminal? Don't. Don't. Even us, don't start acting like you have only 6 hours in a day. Everybody has 24 hours. Use yours wisely. That's why for us, we don't rush. When it comes to road safety, know your limits. The road does not belong to only you people. Everybody owns the same way you have the right of way. I also have the right of way. You're behind me. You see the light is red. You want me to go. Because if I go, the Afande will chase me. They leave you. Be real. Don't do it. Me nkiken.
For your mistake, simanyi oba yogedde lukyoli, but aina point. She has a point. Obera ku luguudo n'osanga UG. Usually nga boss talimu. Nga omuntu avuga one way, emotoka zijja eno yagala kudda eri. They are breaking all sorts of laws nga ba boss tebalimu. Boss wabeera muyinza okugamba they are controlled. Bali ku bitaala baagala kubikuba. Just because you drive a government vehicle doesn't mean you're above the law. Omwana w'obuwala akijjeyo bulungi. Yes, I was smiling because of the circumstances n'engeri gy'abadde complaining but byagerako bituufu. And I'm sure omuntu yenna avuga emmotoka, you've seen this, you've experienced it. In the middle of the day, nga omuntu ali mu mmotoka government amenya amateeka. They drive badly, bateekako sirens, bakuba engombe, oyinza okugamba they are taking omuntu afunye heart attack mu ddwaliro. Relax. Chill. The road has laws for a reason. One mistake, omuntu omu oba ovuga emmotoka nnya ekuli mu maaso ekuli emabega ne mu sides. Focus. Okay, 5. Neyiyo. One single mistake from one driver can cause a mistake. Creating anxiety ku nguudo. Ojja kusanga omuntu nga yakayiga okuvuga okuba engombe sirens omufule anxious. Before you know it, a crash nze mu Range Rover y'omuntu. Situation etandise. Balance okwesika. Omu akubye omuto ku steering. Lwaki? Over things you can avoid. Mukakkane ku nguudo. Njagala ompe endowooza yo mu comment section wansi awo ku byenkonnyeko abasirikale who turn up muleya like civilians with massive weapons, they begin firing bullets in the air. Mpe endowooza yo mu comment section wansi awo. Nja kulaba mu video eddako. Peace.